How long will it take for an investment of 40,000 to increase by 5,000? This is very interesting. The money that didn't increase to 5,000, it increased by. The money didn't grow because you can't invest 40,000 and then when you end up with 5,000. Like investment, actually, you want your money to be it needs to be bigger than the original amount that you invested. So it has grown by 5,000. If the interest rate is 4.5% per annum simple interest. What are they saying here? Let's look into this. So how much are we investing originally? T0, how much are we investing? Okay, we're putting 40,000. We have a principal amount. Go there. And then we're going to invest it for how many years? We're going to the future, but we have no idea. So N is the one which is unknown here. Interest it's 0.0. Okay, then they say it increased by 5,000. What is the accumulated amount?
5,000.
The accumulated amount is 45,000. Then what is it that we have to do, Tina? We have to calculate what? We have to calculate N using the simple interest formula, which says A is going to be equal to P1 plus I multiplied by N. So after that, it's a matter of substitution. What do we have as our accumulated amount?
45,000.
It's 45, 1, 2, 3. What is our principal amount?
40,000.
Okay, it's 1 plus I 0.0 and then from here onwards, we want to get N. How to get N if it's you here? What is the first thing that you do? You can divide them. Yeah, multiplication and division are in inverse of each other. So the first thing that you can do is to divide both sides by what? By 40,000. Let's do this. So I'm going to divide by 40,000. And then if in this side, I'm going to divide by what? By 40,000. If I divide by 40,000, 40,000 and 40,000, they're going to divide each other out. And then I'm going to be left with 1 plus 0.045. I will still find it. Now for this one here, you can leave it like this, or you can say the zeros are going to cancel each other out. You can do this, you can say this 0 and this 0 are going to cancel each other out. And then you're left with 45 all over 40. So what do you have here? You have 45 all over 40, which is going to be equal to 1 plus 0.045 N. What are we looking for? We're looking for N. Yes. What should we do next? This one is algebra. This is general algebra. Before cross multiplication, you can take this one to this other side. If you take this one to this other side, it's going to become what? Negative. Then what are you going to have then? You are going to have something like that looks like this. You have 45 all over 40 minus 1, which is going to be 0.045 N. Whether you want N, what can you do from here? You can divide. Yes. You can divide by 0.045. And then even this side, you divide by 0.045. And then it says N. Then you can type this in your calculator exactly as it appears. So what do you have? You have fraction. You have fraction again. Fraction. You have 45 all over 40 minus 1 divided by 0.045. And then you say equals to. It gives us 2,7777 recurring. So I'm going to tell them which is going to be 2,78. So it's going to take us 2,78 years.
This is the